Hello students, welcoming all of you to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss about the polar and non-polar covalent bonds. So we all know that what is covalent bond? The bond which is formed by sharing of electrons to achieve noble gas configuration is known as covalent bond. Now say what is non-polar covalent bond. So definition is what? It is the covalent bond formed between two similar atoms where the shared pair of electrons lies almost in the center and electron cloud is uniform around the two atoms. Okay? For example, Cl2 molecule. ইয়াত কি হৈছে দুটা ক্লোৰিন এটম লগ লাগি এটা ক্লোৰিনৰ মলিকুল ফৰ্ম হৈছে হয়নে So non-polar covalent bondot ki koise jitu yar electron pair share hoi thakibo hi ki hobo duita chlorine or majot uniformly ki hobo distribute hobo and that shared electron pairs lies almost in the center of the molecule. So if we draw the Lewis dot structure of Cl2 molecule, then it will be like this. For example, this is one chlorine atom. Here 7 valence electrons are placed and this is the second chlorine atom in which there is also 7 valence electron. And both these atom will share this 2 electron and form the covalent bond. And they will form the single bond like this. Okay. So this shared electron pair is equally attracted towards this both chlorine atom. Why? Because jodi tumi swa je chlorine or electronegativity kiman hoy 3.16. So ei duita chlorine atom or electronegativity to ki hoise same hoise and there is no difference between this electronegativity value. And so these shared electrons are equally attracted towards the two atoms. So a chlorine to a electron pair to jiman jure tanibo a chlorine to ki koribo saman jurere ki koribo nijor pine tanibo hoy so hihotor majot kuno polar generate no hoy pole mane ki hoy jetia negative aru positive charge or difference thakibo tetia hihotor duta murot ki hobo duta different pole generate hobo but in this case there is no electronegativity difference and so there is no generation of poles. So this shared pair of electron will place at the center of this bond. So yet ki hoise since the electronegativity of two atoms is same, the shared electrons are equally attracted towards two atoms. Hence, no poles are generated and the bond remains completely non-polar. So, is chlorine atom a shared electron pairs equally nijor pine tani thakibo. For example, edal marker hoy yat ki hobo this is the left side and this is the right side. Okay, a two different side ok ami ki boli kobo paru poles boli ko thik ase যেনেকৈ আমি কি কওঁ নৰ্থ পোল সাউথ পোল কওঁ সিমিলাৰলি মলিকুলছ বিলাকত কি হয় ইলেক্ট্ৰনেগেটিভিটি ডিফাৰেন্স থাকিলে হিহঁতৰ মাজত পজিটিভ আৰু নেগেটিভ চাৰ্জৰ সেপাৰেশন হয় তাৰ কাৰণে ডিফাৰেন্ট পোলছৰ জেনাৰেশন হয় but here in the case of chlorine molecule there is no difference between the electronegativity and therefore no charge separation between these atoms. So example of non-polar covalent molecules are what? Hydrogen, chlorine, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Okay. So yat etia ei hydrogen molecule to keneke form hoise by the sharing of these two valence electrons. Hoine? So a valence electron duta share hoi pini hihote ki koribo single bond form koribo. So yat jodi moi hudu je which hydrogen atom is more powerful. Powerful means what? That which has the highest electronegativity value. So what do you mean by electronegativity? So it is a measure of the tendency of an atom to attract a bonding pair of electron. So bonding pair of electron atom etai nijor pine jiman powerfully hi tanibo pare hetue hoise tar electronegativity value. So hydrogen or electronegativity value to kiman hoy 2.2. Since both these atoms are same, so there is no electronegativity difference. So there is no charge difference between these atoms. আৰু ইহঁতৰ মাজত কোনো নেগেটিভ আৰু পজিটিভ চাৰ্জৰ ডিফাৰেন্স নথকা মানে কি হয় ইহঁতৰ মাজত কোনো পোলছৰ জেনাৰেশ্যন নহয় that is why they are known as the non-polar covalent molecules. So when the bond form between the same atom, the bond is known as the non-polar bond. Next one is the polar covalent bond. So polar covalent bond is what? It is the covalent bond formed between two different atoms of different electronegativities so that the shared pair of electrons lie more towards the more electronegative atom. For example, this is the hydrogen atom and this is the fluorine atom. So Lewis the structure kile hihotor electron bilak keneke thakibo? Hydrogen has 1 electron and fluorine has 7 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So hydrogen fluoride molecule to form hote hydrogen aru fluorine majot electronor ki hobo sharing hobo hoine. And this is the covalent bond formed between these two atoms. So if we check the electronegativity of these two atoms, then what we will see? Fluorine hoy 4 aru hydrogen hoy tomar 2.2. That means fluorine is more electronegative than hydrogen. So fluorine has the more power to attract this electron pair towards itself as compared to hydrogen atom. So fluorine or electronegativity jehetu besi hoy tetia hi ki koribo a shared electron pair jur nijor pine besike tani thakibo hoine. So fluorine or ki dekhisa yar electron o besi hoy ase aru yar electron pair jur nijor pine tonar tendency o besi hoy ase hoine. So there will be a partial negative charge will generate in case of fluorine atom, and in case of hydrogen there will be a partial positive charge will generate. That means they generate two different poles between these atoms. Yat ki hua nai electronor complete transfer hua nai kintu electronor jetu cloud ase ba electron density tu kar pine besi hoi thakibo a fluorine pine besi hoi thakibo hoine. So a paired electron jur bondal form hote fluorine pine besike thakibo buji paisa. That means what? Fluorine has the high tendency to attract this shared electron pair towards itself. So it will contain a partial negative charge. That means they have two poles in the molecule. One is positive pole and another is negative pole. So this type of molecules are known as polar covalent molecule. Since the more electronegative atom attracts the shared electrons more strongly, the electron cloud gets distorted and density is displaced towards more electronegative atom. Hence, the more electronegative atom acquires a slightly negative charge and the other atom acquires a slightly positive charge. Thus, the positive and negative poles are produced and the bond become completely polar bond. In case of hydrogen and chlorine atom, to form the bond between them, hydrogen has 1 valence electron and chlorine has 7 valence electron. Okay. As the chlorine has the highest electronegativity value, so it has the tendency to attract the shared electron pair towards itself. Okay. So এই ক্লোৰিনে কি কৰিব যি দুটা ইলেক্ট্ৰন শেয়াৰ হৈছে বন্ডিঙত তাক কি কৰিব নিজৰ পিনে বেছিকে টানি থাকিব so this is hydrogen and this is chlorine and they will form the single covalent bond so this chlorine will generate partial negative charge and this hydrogen will generate partial positive charge so partial positive aru negative charge or separation hua mane ki hihotor majot duta different pole generate hoise a shared electron pairs or chlorine pine ki koribo besi move kori thakibo buji paisa that means the electron density of chlorine will be high partial negative and partial positive charge Another example like hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide, they will also form polar covalent bonds. So this is about the polar and non-polar covalent bonds. So hope you like this video. For more update, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.